Yo fam, the Art of Deep Glass, and you know what time it is? I'm back with another video, y'all. Alright, so I just received my package today, and I'm gonna be unboxing this Ulanzi. Pretty much it's like a phone camera mount that I'm gonna actually apply to my table bar so I can have a closer range of my table and my mat when I do my pieces, instead of having my rig that's up here, when it can actually just be a little bit closer and I can get a better angle. So let's get into it. Right now I'm holding the camera in one hand and trying to film and open the box with the other hand. So this is pretty much what it looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so this is pretty much the clamp that, like I said, I'm gonna put on my table bar. And this piece right here is gonna be where the foam part, which is this here, is gonna connect to, so I can then put my telephone on here. And let's see what else is in here. Alright, so there's pretty much nothing else in this box. So it's just pretty simple. I just found this company going through the Amazon, and again, the company is Ulanzi. So I'm gonna give this a try and see how it turns out. So with that being said, shout out to Ulanzi. Hopefully they have more products that I can purchase more products from. And with that being said, if you like the video, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, subscribe to the channel, The Art of Deep Glass. Till the next video, y'all, you already know. Peace.